I've been using both MailerLite and Mailchimp for a few weeks now, just to see which one actually feels better for beginners, not just on paper, but in real use. I've been working on a few small email campaigns lately, and honestly, I wanted to find something that's simple, affordable, and doesn't waste hours just setting things up. So both of these are email marketing tools. You can create newsletters, send automated emails, build forms, and even landing pages. Mailchimp is kind of the big name everyone's heard of. It's been around forever and has tons of integrations. MailerLite, on the other hand, feels like the newer, cleaner version. It's built for creators, small businesses, or basically anyone who doesn't want to deal with too much tech fuss. When I started testing them, I noticed Mailchimp felt a bit cluttered. It's powerful, yes, but I kept having to click around to find simple things like adding a sign-up form or checking a segment. I'd say it took me a good 20 minutes just to get my first campaign properly formatted. Meanwhile, with MailerLite, I set up a full campaign, template, form, automation in maybe half that time. The interface just makes sense. Everything is right where you expect it. One thing that surprised me, though, Mailchimp's templates look good, and there are way more of them. But MailerLite's designs felt fresher and easier to tweak. Like, when I dropped in an image block or adjusted spacing, it actually stayed consistent. Mailchimp sometimes broke the layout if I moved too much stuff around. Automation was another big difference. Mailchimp's automations are strong. You can do abandoned cart emails, trigger sequences from different actions, but none of that's available on the free plan. With MailerLite, I was able to set up a multi-step welcome sequence without paying a cent, which is pretty awesome if you're just starting out. Where Mailchimp pulled ahead a bit for me was in analytics. It gives you conversion tracking, social insights, even device stats. MailerLite's reporting is fine for basics, open rates, clicks, unsubscribes, but it's not as deep. In terms of pricing, though, MailerLite wins, hands down. Once I realized Mailchimp was charging me for unsubscribed contacts, I was like, wait, what? MailerLite's free plan gives you 12,000 emails a month for 500 subscribers. That's more than enough for beginners. So, if I had to sum it up, Mailchimp still feels like the big corporate option. Solid, detailed, but a bit old school and expensive. MailerLite feels lighter, faster, and way easier to live with day to day. If you're just starting your email marketing journey, I'd say go with MailerLite. It's beginner-friendly, affordable, and gets you moving fast. But if you already run a large store and need deep analytics or advanced triggers, Mailchimp might still be worth it. Personally, I'm sticking with MailerLite. It just fits how I like to work. Simple, clean, and gets the job done without overcomplicating things.